Ramsay Basic Skills Assessment Test. So the test is a short, entry-level, pre-employment assessment for various processing and manufacturing positions. Unlike other Ramsay tests, this test does not require vocational knowledge. General test structure. So the test contains 52 questions which are to be solved in 48 minutes. 4 different topics are covered in the test. Number 1, inspection and measurement, which includes 10 questions in 8 minutes. So that is 48 seconds per question is the time limit. It contains 3 types of questions: multi-view projection, measurement reading, and signal flow. Second section is the process monitoring and problem solving, which contains 12 questions, and you have to solve these 12 questions in 14 minutes. It means you have 70 seconds per question. This section assesses your ability to solve basic problems and to demonstrate common sense on a variety of fundamental physical and technical topics. Number 3 is arithmetic. So here are 14 questions in 10 minutes, that is 42 seconds for one question. This one tests how well you interpret, calculate, and draw conclusions from quantitative data. Finally, reading section, which contains 16 questions, and you have to solve them in 16 minutes, that is 60 seconds per question. This section of the test contains 2 short passages, each followed by 8 reading comprehension questions, that is 16 questions overall. This was all. Thanks for watching.